I've always wanted to create a video around my gaming space. I've been inspired and have copied many creators, and I've meshed what they've done into my own. So this is my 2024 almost complete dream home gaming room.
My gaming setup has always been transforming and evolving since over a decade ago. I wish I had taken pictures of what it was back in 2010, but it started out as a laptop and a tiny desk playing League of Legends. That's when I considered any space a gaming setup. It's evolved from a desk to an L desk to a longer desk to half a room to a full room, and now I have a garage to call my man cave. So starting off the tour is my work desk. I am currently at this desk for majority of my time, and I wanted it to feel simple yet productive. The desk itself is the 74-inch IKEA Barcaboda countertop on top of an uplift desk T-frame. On top of it, I have two 32-inch curved Dell Quad HD monitors. These things are productivity beasts, and the huge screen lets me put up my emails, spreadsheets, PDFs, and so much more. Powering them is my work laptop, a ZBook going into the HP G5 dock. This thing is a cable lifesaver. It's one USB-C cable that connects to my laptop, and then the dock connects to everything else: monitor, webcam, mouse, and keyboard. And speaking of keyboard, I'm using the Keychron K10 wireless mechanical keyboard. I love it as it reduces another cable off of my desk, and having the numpad makes work go by 5 times faster. I pair the keyboard with the Logitech G Pro Superlight mouse, as this was just an extra mouse I had lying around. Cable management is simple and nothing complicated. I have two Vivo under desk trays, and I throw as much wire as I can in there. They all go to my UPS, the APC 425, which is really overkill and not needed in this setup, but I had it laying around, so might as well use it. And as you can see, I like to keep my work simple and clean. But when it hits 5 o'clock, all I gotta do is roll onto my gaming desk. 1 second later, this is where the magic happens. On this amazing 98 IKEA Carbly countertop on the uplift desk C-frame. I have a 2 PC stream setup, so one PC can focus on gaming and the other one on streaming. Both PCs are pre-built, as I am too lazy to build one myself, and I haven't really had one fail me yet. My monitor for the streaming PC is the same 32-inch curved monitor as my work setup. For my gaming desk though, I have the Alienware 32-inch 4K OLED curved monitor. This thing is amazing. I went back and forth on deciding if I was going to get the 32-inch or the 27-inch monitor because I play a lot of FPS games. I eventually opted out for the 32, and I do not regret it one bit. I'm getting older and my FPS skills are trash anyway, so I might as well become a casual gamer and go for the nice big graphics. I recently played Warhammer on this monitor, and oh my god, it looks so amazing at 4K, and I became so immersed in the game. Moving on to my peripherals, I'm using the Wooting 60E keyboard to game with. What really got me over was the USB-C connection on the left side of the keyboard, as I'm a vertical keyboard type gamer, and having a USB connection in the middle was fine, but having it on the left is way better for me. My mouse of choice is the Finalmouse Ultralight X. On my streaming PC side, I'm using the Ducky Vermilio Mia Pro Koi 65% keyboard and another Finalmouse Ultralight X. My mousepad of choice is the Artisan High Ninja FX Min mousepad. My audio of choice is the Rodecaster Pro 2 mixer, paired up with the Rode NT1 5th gen mic and the Rode PS1 Plus mic arm. For my headphones, I was using my noise canceling Sony headphones, but those broke on a trip, so I'm back to my Beyerdynamic 990 Pros, and it works for now, but hopefully I can get some IEMs or something down the line. For my stream stuff, I'm rocking the Elgato Stream Deck XL, the Sony a6300 with the Sigma 16mm 1.4 lens for that nice bokeh. For my cable management, it's not the best, but I opted for this Vivo underdesk sleeve, as I'm always changing devices and wires, and this thing covers the wires from the front and leaves the wires accessible in the back. So instead of routing it on under my desk, I can just go in, change out a wire, and just throw it back in that little bag. Moving on to the rest of the garage, when entering the garage for the first time, other than my desk, you'll see the quote-unquote art wall, where I place all the artwork that I have right now. And there's a lot of space missing, but a lot of it has been used to fill out the rest of the house. My most prized artwork though is really a poster from 2011, The Legend of Zelda Symphony. I'm a huge Zelda fan and I love video game symphonies, so this thing is my most cherished. On the far wall of the other side of the garage sits the culmination of my manga, games, cards, peripherals, and meaningful nostalgic things. And out of everything I own, my most cherished are the 42 volumes of the Japanese manga Katio Hitman Reborn. The shelves also hold my old consoles, my PS4s, Xbox Ones, all that good stuff. I have my gaming mouses, mostly Final Mouse because I love them so much. One Piece figures, Horizon, trading cards, nostalgic things such as photos, notes from my wife when we started dating almost a decade ago. Under my shelves are my IKEA Billy bookshelves, and they just hold all my manga, all my game cases, and a whole bunch of miscellaneous stuff that I still need to organize. And then moving on to behind my desk are my anime figures on some floating shelves, my Alex drawers that I used before converting my desk into a standing desk, a tool chest, and my toys, golf clubs, and my bike. And on one of my corners of my garage, I have two impact vari poles, as you call it, with a whole bunch of super clamps where I put my backpacks, my posters, my bike helmets, and then on my final corner are all my surfboards and miscellaneous poles. I have this 9-foot green screen, and then just a table of random things. And yeah, that is my 2024 almost complete dream gaming home office. Really a garage, but I hope you liked the video. It has been an awesome experience, and I can't wait to update it even more. Peace.